Again, so guys, in this video we will see how to use Evernote as to-do list. So guys, for using the Evernote as the to-do list, first of all, setting up your task. So open your Evernote and navigate to the notebook section. Click the option of new notebook to create a new one. Name your new notebook something clear like to-do list, and consider creating the separate project notebook for the bigger intensive. Then creating a new task. Adding the task is easy either with existing notes or standalone entries. Open an existing notes or create a new one from your task. Click the option of insert menu or the plus icon and select the option of task to insert the checkbox item. Then type the task description next to the checkbox and add relevant details, link or files below the task line. Press and enter to add another task to continue. Then organizing and prioritizing the task. So click the option of existing task to open your detail panel and assign a due date using the calendar picker. Then set a reminder to get the notify before the due date. Add the relevant tag like high priority work personal. Then ask task to specify the notebook if not already done. Okay, after that, leveraging the dedicated task view, click the option of task icon in the left navigation sidebar. This view display all your open tasks from every note. Use the filter options at the top to sort by due date. Note, search for the specified task using keyword in the search bar. Mark task as a complete by clicking their checkbox directly in the view. So guys, thank you.